Seems like something heavy. Uncut mullet on the bottom. Yeah, he's just swimming along without fighting. He just feels heavy. Yeah, he's gonna try to go around the kayak. Oh, there he goes. He's going around the kayak. Come on, buddy. Get over here. It's gotta be red. It's gotta be a red. Oh man. He's all over the place. Yeah, he's back over here. He's going back over there. Yeah, he's going back over there again. Alright. Come on, buddy. He's taking off again. Oh, wait. Oh man, he's over by the... Man, he's a sneaky guy. There you go. All the way around again. Whoa. He's going back out. He went back out, man. Oh. He's a big one, I think, man. Because he's pretty much doing whatever he wants. Oh boy. Come on, buddy. He's going back there again. Oh man. Oh, it's just so much fun. Man. Oh man, what are you? Come on, baby, let's see it. Good God. I saw the spine. Looked like it could be a chiphead. Can't see too clear with the sun. Come on, baby. Don't leave now. Can't even see you. Oh yeah, he's a red. Beautiful red. Big red. A big red. Oh wow. Man. There he is. He's about done. There he comes. Oh man. All right, we got him. Oh man, he's oversized. Woo! Measure this bad boy. Oh man, he is at he is at 29 3/4. Oh boy. Alrighty. Ooh. Something on there. Something on there. Whoa. Looks like a red. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh, I think it's another big one. He's just moving slow and steady. Not worried about anything. Come on, bud. Let's get a look at you. Just don't be oversized. You'll have to go back. Yeah, he is heavy. Oh, there's a big tail. What is that, drum? It might be a drum. Black drum. I'll take him. Whoa. Oh, he's coming to life. He's a big one. I just can't tell if he's a black drum or a red drum yet. Get him in closer. I'll find out here. Whatever it is, it's giving me some fun. He's taking off. I guess he woke up and realized he was hooked on something. Oh my gosh. I still can't tell if it's a black drum. Oh. Hold it. Come on, buddy. Yeah. This is so much fun. Damn it. Dang it. Woo. All on light tackle, man. 2500 pin Battle 3. with a 15-pound braid and a 25-pound leader line. So it's a challenge to get something big hooked up and manage to get him in without breaking the line or the reel giving out or something. You never know. This is a big boy. Oh man, he's still going out, man. Hey, come on, baby. Come on, man. Ain't got that much line left. Wow. Come on. Come on, bud. I hope that back camera's aimed right. Oh my God, what are you? Could be a drum, black drum. Is it acting a little different than a red drum? Oh man. There he is. I think it is a black drum. I can see a spot on him. Let's see. Oh man. I see no spot on him. Or is it? Let's see, what are you? Man, I think it is a black drum. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think it is a black drum. Oh God, he's heavy. Oh my God, he's heavy. Big black drum. There it is. Oh my God, I'll measure him here. Let's see how big he is. Oh man, he's gonna be close. You kidding me, man? $30 1/4.